Good morning. Today we are going to discuss linear inequality in one variable. But first of all, discuss one example. Exercise 6.1, question number 4. Here question is asked, solve 3x plus 8 greater to then condition when here condition is asked x is an integer and second question x is a real number. So first of all, here simplify this term and find out the value of x. So 3x plus 8 greater to. Now 8 written in opposite side and change the sign. So here plus sign is present. Now 8 written in opposite side and change the sign. So therefore 3x greater to minus 8. So therefore 3x greater minus 6. Now divided by 3. So therefore x greater minus 6 divided by 3. So therefore x greater minus 2. Now here greater than sign is present. Greater, that means line is going from the right side. So here first condition is asked, x is an integer. So now represent in number line. Here minus infinitive form is present. Here infinitive form is present. Now suppose here we can consider the position of minus 2 is like here. Okay. Now here position is minus 3. Here minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinitive form. Okay. Now here greater form is present and minus 2 is present like here. Strictly greater is present, that's why here minus 2 we cannot consider, but arrow is going from the right side. So that's why here we can written answer is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. Okay. Now here in case of integer form, here up to infinite form is present, so that's why this answer written in form of set compulsory. We cannot written here open interval, or here we cannot written without set of this answer. Compulsory answer in case of integer form, answer written in this way. Now in second one, x is a real number and we already discussed this topic. X is a real number, so answer written in interval form. So here written x is a real number. Okay, now here represent in number line. Minus, suppose here minus infinitive, here infinitive, and minus 2 is present here. Now here strictly greater form is present, so compulsory written here strictly greater than form. So that's why here we can written open interval form. So here written greater form. Right? So how can be represented? So our answer represented open interval. Greater than form is present, so open interval minus 2 to up to infinity. Now always remember, in case of infinitive, here written small bracket always. Here we cannot apply in both the side, in negative side as well as positive side. here we can, in case of infinitive position, here written small bracket always. Now arrow is going from greater than forms, that's why here first position we can written -2 and after written plus position. Suppose arrow is present in, suppose minus infinitive present here, infinitive present here, okay. Suppose minus infinitive present here and infinitive present here, and -2 position is present. Now here greater in place of less than form is present, so here we can written like position is this side, and first written minus infinitive and after written -2, but here greater form is present, that's why here written position -2 to infinitive position, and first we can written here -2 and after written infinitive form. Suppose less than form is present, so first written minus infinitive and after written -2. Now here minus infinitive and plus infinitive always written in open interval bracket, and here strictly greater form is present or strictly less than form is present, so compulsory written open interval. Greater than equality and less than equality form is present, so here we can written large bracket, big bracket, but here strictly less than form is present, so here written open interval form. Clear? Now after example number 3. Our question is solve 4x plus 3 less than 6x plus 6. Now in this question condition is not given. Here not given, our question is solved. That means find out the value of x. But here condition is not present. X is an natural number, x is an integer form, like this way. So in this situation, first of all solve the value of x, and after answer is written in form of real number. That means open interval or close interval form. Now here strictly less than form is present, so here we can written in open interval form answer. So first of all solve this equation and find out the value of x. So 4x plus 3 less than 6x plus 7. Now 6x written in opposite side and change the sign. So therefore 4x minus 6x less than 7. Now here 3 written in opposite side. Now here outside plus sign is present, so written in opposite side, so minus sign we can written here. So therefore 4x minus 6x, that means minus 2x less than 4. Now divide by these two. But first of all here minus sign is present, so remember here minus sign is present, so how can we remove this minus sign? So here remove this minus sign means both this side multiply minus sign, and here in this situation inequality change, so here we can write and multiply negative sign in both sides. So in this situation inequality change, here less in place of written greater form. So here minus minus plus 2x greater minus 4. Now after divided by these two, so x greater minus 2. Okay. Now after our final answer written in, how can be written? So understand in number line, here minus infinitive present, here infinitive present. In number line in any place, written here minus 2. Okay. Now here greater form is present. Greater form, that means minus 2 is present. Greater arrow is present in this way. So here we can written greater form. So our answer is, first position is minus 2 and after second position is infinite. So our answer is minus 2 open interval minus 2 to infinity. Here strictly greater form is present. So that's why here written open interval, and infinitive form always present in open interval form. So next question, example number 4. Now here remember, here remove this minus sign. So here inequality change less in place of written greater form, and suppose greater form is present, so written in less form. Next question, example number 4. Solve 5 minus 2x upon 3 less than equal to x upon 6 minus 5. So again, first of all, find out the value of x. So how can we find out the value of x? So first, here simplify this equation. So 5 minus 2x upon 3 less than equal to, first here we can take LCM in right side. So 6 we can take here LCM, and here written 6 5 ja 30. Now here 3 present, here 6 is present. So here multiply 2. So here we get 6. Otherwise we can written this way also, 3 2 ja 6, and this denominator to multiply this side. So therefore 2 into bracket 5 minus 2x less than equal to x minus 30. Therefore 5 2 ja 10 minus 2 2 ja 4x less than equal to x minus 30. Now x written for this side and change the sign. So minus 4x, here plus sign is present, so written minus x less than equal to minus 30 minus 10. So therefore minus 5x less than equal to minus 40. Now here less than equality form is present, remember. Now here x is our variable and outside minus sign is present, so remove this minus sign. So again here multiply minus in both these sides and change the inequality. So here we can written multiply negative sign in both sides. So therefore 5x greater than equal to 40. Now divide by this term. So 40 divided by 5, that means x greater than equal to 8. Now our final answer here condition is not present, that means our answer written in real form. So that means interval form. So how can be represented? So first of all here understand using by number lines. So here minus infinitive and infinitive form is present. Now suppose here we can consider the position of 8 here. greater than equal to form is present, greater arrow is like direction is this direction, so therefore here we can written greater equality. But here greater than equality form is present, so that's why here we can written close interval form. Remember, strictly greater form is present, so here we can written small bracket, right? But here greater than equality form is present, so here written close interval form, close interval 8 to open infinity. So our final answer, close interval 8 to infinity. Now exercise 6.1, question number 5. Our question is solve the inequality in for real value x. So exercise 6.1, question number 5. For x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. Now solve this equation. So 4x, now 5x written for this side and change the sign. So 4x minus 5x less than 7. Here plus 3 present, written in opposite side and change the sign. So here written minus 3. So therefore 4x minus 5x, that means minus x, less than 7 minus 3, that means 4. Now again here remove this minus sign. So multiply minus sign in both the side. But here minus sign is present in outside of variable. So here change the equality. Here less in place of written greater form. So x greater minus 4. Now after our final answer, minus infinitive minus 4 is present here, greater than arrow is like present in this side. So final answer written open interval, strictly greater form is present, so here apply small bracket. So minus 4 to open interval infinity. Answer. So here we can, okay, clear? Next question. Question number 8. 3 into bracket 2 minus x greater than equal to 2 into bracket 1 minus x. So again here, first of all simplify this equation and find out the value of x. So here open this bracket, 3 to the 6. 3 into x, that means minus 3x, greater than equal to 2 into 1, that means 2. 2 into minus x, that means minus 2x. Now all these values change in written in opposite side and change the sign. So here minus 2x written in this side, here negative sign is present, so we can written in opposite side. So here written plus. So minus 3x plus 2x greater than equal to 2. Here plus 6 written in opposite side and change the sign. So minus 6. Therefore minus 3x plus 2x, that means minus x greater than equal to minus 4. Now again here x is variable and outside minus sign is present. So here remove this minus sign. So in both this side written x less than equal to 4. So remove minus sign in both this side. Okay. Now minus infinity to infinity form is present. 4 is like present this side. Okay. Now less than equal to form is present. This arrow is going left side. So here we can return. Now first position is minus infinity, but less than equal to form is present. So in 4 side of the 4, here we can return closed interval form. So our final answer written in like this way, the solution set is open interval minus infinity to close interval 4. Clear? Next question. Question number 9. Solve x plus x upon 2 plus x upon 3 less than 11. So here 3 term is present, means total 4 term is present, but in left side 3 term is present. So first of all, solve this equation and find out the value of x. Now first of all decide in left side which term is our LCM. So 3 to just 6, that means 6 is our LCM. Now in first term 6, in denominator no any number is present, so here we can multiply 6. Now here denominator 2 is present, our LCM is 6, so 2 3 just 6, so that's why here multiply 3x. Now in denominator 3 is present, our LCM 6, so multiply with 2 less than 11. So therefore 6x plus 3x, that means 9x plus 2x, that means 11x less than 11 into 6, that means 66. Now divided by this term, so x less than 66 divided by 11. So therefore x less than 6. So solution set in written in, okay, now understand in number line. So minus infinitive to infinitive form is present. Now position of 6 is like present here. Now arrow is less than form, that means going in left side, so here we can written less than. First position is minus infinity, second position is 6. Okay, and suppose greater form is present, so arrow is written this side. First position, in this situation first position written 6, and after second position written infinite position. Now here strictly less than form is present, so already minus infinity always written in open interval form, but here strictly less than is present, so 6 is also written in open interval form. So the solution set is minus infinity to open interval 6. So our final answer is minus infinity to 6. Clear?